find the date button here. I'm going to push all sorts of things. I don't know if I'll... That was it. Okay. It's school day. Well, you've been to school several times already. You're a big boy, but it's going to be funny. Just get it on tape today. What the heck? What you eating there? Oh, yummy. Are you going to see Miss Kane today? What else? You're so happy. Who's that little rugrat? Hi, Lucas! Oh, wave hi, huh? That's nice. Hi, Mama. Hi. I'll wave back. Oh, you want me over there, I know. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. I guess we're ready to go to school, huh?
Uh-huh.
What you gotta do?
I got scratch my boo.
Okay, so you gonna put it in your shoes?
No.
Why?
I'm just gonna put it down there.
Oh, well, we better put your shoes on so you can play in the playground, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll help you. Want me to help you?
Yes, help me.
Okay, say please.
Please.
Bye. There's Eric trying to get his bag out of the car. And there's Piney Point. It's early in the morning. Let me pan around here. Here's parking lot at St. Francis. Yeah. Other people coming and taking their kids. That's not where we go. Look at these beautiful oaks. Don't they pretty? I don't want to make y'all dizzy. There we go down there to his school. There's his old school, right in the middle there. And there's where he has lunch. Wait a minute. No, that's his lunch bunch. Just down from that is where he had Miss Betsy when he was 2.5 to 3. Or something like that. Okay. This big school bag. Aren't you guys proud? I got Lucas here too, so it's not easy. Oh, move back a little bit. Move backwards. Dyslexia is setting in here. Hi, Eric.
Hi.
You want to go to school? Okay. You look real happy. This is really hard. Don't run across. This is hard to do because I got some school bags and other kids. Anyway, there's Miss Betsy's place. I'm going to turn this off. Let's show them, there's your school. There's the school drive. Get this all down. There's Miss Betsy's place. We were there last year. Old playground. That's your old playground, huh, Eric? Eric, that's your old playground, isn't it? That's, uh-huh. Where Miss Betsy was, right? Shall we go take everybody to see Miss Kane?
I want you!
Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go to school here. Gotta get it eventually on tape. It's not nothing special about today. We just want to get on tape. Okay, Eric, show us where your school is. Oh God, Lucas is drooping. Good. Wow, look at that stuff. Shall we go inside? Put up your bag? All right. Oh, it's not open yet. Oh my God. Okay, it's not open yet. What are we gonna do? That's pretty serious. Okay, we'll come back later. Here we go to school. Here we go. I gotta keep up with him here. Eric, where's your school? It's the other way, isn't it? Miss Kane's place is the other way.
Come see Miss Kane.
Where's Miss Kane?
Right there.
Oh boy. He couldn't wait to come to school this morning.
Hey, Marshall, what's going on?
Let's go hide your bag. Oops.
Hey, come here. Hey, girl. Hi, Eric. Give me a hug. Oh.
That's Miss Kane.
How we doing? Can you hang your bag up for me? Oh, well, okay. Let me see. You put it over there on a hook?
Here, Morgan, put your bag up.
So big. Morgan, did you bring your bag?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay.
All right, good. Bye, Eric. I'll see you later. You have a good time, okay? Bye.
No.
Oh, okay. I'll take it out and take it to the
Stepping
office.
on your
Oh, you didn't step on my foot. I love you. Bye.